Do you want to qualify for MDRT, COT or TOT this year? Do you want to increase the average ticket size of your policies? And do you aspire to qualify for the corporate club membership? If yes, then you must focus on Jeevan Umang plan to achieve all the dreams and goals of your life. Friends, I am Kamlesh Gurubakshani, popularly known as Kamlesh Guru. After working with LIC for 30 years, in April 2019, I opted for VRS with a mission to empower LIC advisors with knowledge to ensure their retention and enhance their public image. And to achieve my mission, I have compiled 5 books under the title Prerna, 2 books on induction training, 1 on underwriting, 1 on club membership and 1 on Jeevan Umang. And during this pandemic time, I even released this Prerna eBooks app. This Prerna eBooks app is the must-have app for the all field force of LIC of India. If you are not yet subscribed to this app, go to my website kamleshguru.com/Prerna, go through the details and subscribe for this app. The Jeevan Umang plan was launched in May 2017. At that time, there was a lot of apprehensions about the expected bonus rates under this plan. So I took upon myself, I done the extensive research by going through the various benefit illustrations and arrive at the expected bonus rate as per the BI at 8%. And when the bonus rates for 17-18 were declared, I was proved right that bonus rates will be as per the age at entry and bonus rates for the lower premium paying term will be more. So as per BI, this is the chart as per the BI. As per the BI for age 15 to 29, for 15-year PPT it was 60, but LIC has declared 67 rupees because LIC always declare more bonus rates than what is mentioned under the benefit illustration. Apart from the bonus rate, I have done a lot of study of this Jeevan Umang plan and even released this Prerna update of Jeevan Umang. This is a small booklet. It contains various unique selling concepts like 3-in-1 plan, 3G concept, commutation option and paid up option. But I soon realized that book has got certain limitations. Advisors are not comfortable using this book and present the plan to the prospects as per the presentation given under this book. So I thought of releasing the exclusive app of Jeevan Umang and I approached iBix Technologies and we have designed this Mobilix Prerna Umang app. This app has got some unique presentations. First is standard presentation. Presentation is different from the normal presentations which you are using. Paid up presentation, and you can show the desired maturity at respective age under this standard and paid up presentation. 3G presentation with premium waiver benefit or with Jeevan Lakshya. Commutation option and multiple policies combination to tackle the web products of the private insurers, the similar products private insurers also have, and how you can make use of this multiple policies combination to overcome the objection raised by the prospects. Friends, immediately after my VRS, I realized that a lot of development officers and advisors are having a lot of doubts about the benefits available under this plan. So I started conducting the meetings under this Chai Pe Charcha and tried to remove all their doubts to increase their confidence to sell the product with confidence. And it continued for a few times. Now after this pandemic has come, I thought of recording my courses. So I recorded the course and under Jeevan Umang Mastery. It is an online course. It is available in Hindi and English. And I am not going to charge you 1000 rupees for that. I am going to give it to you free of cost for all of you because this is my first course for advisors and I want to give you free of cost. So this course contains 8 modules. First is bonus and special surrender value calculations. What is the major unique selling proposition of this plan and which market segment you should pitch this plan? How to approach the different prospects, that is middle-aged persons and millennial generation Z, the approach should be different. How to make use of unique presentation technique to close the sale much easier, how to pitch the 3G presentation, how to use the multiples policies combination to overcome the various objections of the prospects, how to make the paid up presentation, and how to do the prospecting using this survey form. And if you are a team leader, I've got some exclusive option for you. Once you enroll your advisors in bulk under this course, of course this course is free of cost. Once you enroll them in bulk, you will get access to our portal as a group leader. And as a group leader, you can check the progress of course completion of your advisors. So those who have not completed the course, you can push them to complete the course and even send the emails from the portals directly. So friends, make use of this Mobilix Prerna Umang app along with the Jeevan Umang Mastery course. It will help you to sell this plan with confidence, and you will surely achieve all the dreams and goals of your life. So in this upcoming webinar on launch orientation of Mobilix Prerna Umang app and Jeevan Umang Mastery course, I will explain in details how to use this app. So register for this webinar on this link kguru.in/umang, and see you at the webinar and wish you all the success.